In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-refresh a page in Chrome. If you want a web page to reload automatically without having to keep clicking the refresh button yourself, Chrome makes that possible with the help of a simple extension. This is especially useful if you're watching a page for updates, tracking changing information, or checking for new content that appears over time. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Chrome Web Store. This is where Chrome extensions are available, and it's the safest place to install tools that work directly inside your browser. Once the web store loads, look for the search bar so you can find the extension you need quickly. In the search field, type Auto Refresh Plus and open the matching result. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct extension before installing it. This extension is designed to refresh pages automatically for you, and it usually offers a few extra controls as well, depending on how you want to use it. After opening the extension page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show you a confirmation window, so you can review what's being added to your browser. This is normal, and it helps you understand what permissions the extension needs in order to work properly. To continue, click Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, Chrome may show a small notification confirming that it has been added successfully. At that point, the tool is ready to use. In many cases, you'll also see its icon appear near the top right area of your browser, which makes it easier to access whenever you need it. From here, feel free to explore the extension. This is the part where you can get familiar with its options, layout, and controls. Different extensions may offer settings like refresh timing, custom intervals, or controls for specific tabs, so it's worth clicking through the available features to understand how it works. Take your time and adjust things based on what kind of page you want to refresh. A quick tip while exploring. Automatic refreshing can be helpful, but you'll want to use it thoughtfully so you're not constantly reloading pages unnecessarily. If you only need occasional updates, choose a reasonable interval that matches what you're trying to monitor. And that's all it takes to set up Auto Refresh in Chrome using an extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once you've installed it and explored the settings, you'll be ready to let Chrome handle the refreshing for you.